Technology drives modern business, but finding the right IT support can feel overwhelming. Nearly half of organizations say the IT skills gap has significantly worsened in the last 2 years, affecting project deadlines, operational efficiency, and even cybersecurity readiness. Christian Huete, president of Crescent Tech, puts it best. Whether you need short-term expertise or long-term IT alignment, choosing the right model makes all the difference. So, how do you choose between staff augmentation and managed services? Staff augmentation gives you temporary IT experts to fill immediate gaps. You keep full control of their tasks, making it ideal for short-term projects or when your internal team needs a boost. It's flexible, cost-effective for short bursts of work, and gives you access to niche skills without long-term commitments. On the other hand, managed services offer continuous IT support with a focus on long-term strategy. You outsource your IT operations to a provider who handles everything, from infrastructure to cybersecurity. This means proactive monitoring, predictable costs, and access to advanced technology without the hassle of managing it in-house. Both models have their strengths and challenges. Staff augmentation requires onboarding and internal oversight, while managed services mean giving up some control and trusting the provider's expertise. Some businesses even blend both models, using staff augmentation for specific projects and managed services for daily IT needs. Want to know which path fits your business best? Read the full article on Crescent Tech's website and get the insights you need to make the right choice. Don't forget to add this to your playlist for more practical IT solutions.